Students, I hope you are well. So in the last lecture, we were discussing about the fibers, synthetic fibers and plastic. So we are on the verge of the completion of the chapter. So the last topic is about the that plastic is popular among people. Plastic is actually a material as a material of choice. Why people choose plastics? We can say plasticware because of its property. Like first property is non-reactive, as it does not react with air, water, or we can say air or water does not have any effect on plastic, so it does not get corroded. So air, water is not having any effect on plastic, so it does not get corroded like metals. So this was we can say because of this reason we are using plastic wares. We are, for example, for lunch box, also for carrying materials. So plastic is very much famous among people because of its property, that is non-reactive. And also the plastic is light and durable. It is light in weight and durable and cheaper. That's why it is used in household, we can say household things, household, and also industries, because if it is light in weight, it is easy to carry. For example, metal we can say, or steel we can say vessels, they are heavier, but plastic bags or plastic material, they are light in weight, they are cheaper, they are durable. So because of these reasons they are very much famous among people. And also they are poor conductor of heat and electricity, poor conductor of heat. So for example, the utensils handles are, if they, for example, if it is made of metal, it will get heated up and you will get burned. But you might have seen the utensils handles are made of what? Plastics, like utensils handle. And also in the last lecture I think we were learn about melamine. Melamine is actually fire resistance plastic kind of, it is fire resistance. Also there is a Teflon coating. So even the cooker holding, we can say a pressure cooker holder handle is made of plastic. So it is a different kind of plastic, but ultimately it is used to, it is as it is having a poor conductor of heat, so it can be used in household things. So because, and there are so many other reasons for the various use of plastics, and because of that plastic is very much famous among people. But let us understand about the we can say the disadvantage of plastic. Plastic is causing harmful effect, or we can say an adverse effect on environment. Why? So let us understand about two different things. First of all, plastic, it get accumulate. Plastic where? Why it get accumulate in the environment? So first of all, we have to understand regarding the two different things: biodegradable substance and non-biodegradable substance. Non-biodegradable substance. So, dear students, those compound or those substances which are decomposed by microorganisms, like animal waste, plant waste, like human body also, or we can say plant waste, or the food which we eat. If you throw on road also, what will happen? Eventually the microorganisms, bacteria, they will decompose it, they will eat up, they will break down the waste material, and all the nutrients will go in the environment again. But like plastic and other things, they are non-biodegradable, they are not decomposed by microorganisms. That's why they remain on earth for so many years, we can say millions of years, thousands of years, because they are not decomposed by bacteria. Generally all living matter, organic matter, like plants, animal waste, the food which we eat, okay, anything, fruits, vegetables, generally all these organic materials are decomposed by bacteria or microorganisms, we can say. So they are decomposed and ultimately the nutrients elements goes in the environment, soil, okay, or we can say in the atmosphere. So this is good, that's called biodegradable. But like plastic, it is non biodegradable, it is not decomposed by bacteria. So which are decomposed by bacteria, or we can say by microorganisms, or by natural process, or we can say or by natural process, are called biodegradable substance. And non-biodegradable substances are those which are not decomposed by natural process. So example here, in case of biodegradable animal and plant waste, in case of non-biodegradable substance like plastic. So because of this reason, plastic waste or plasticware accumulate in the environment. So it is actually, we can say, another problem to we can say remove from the environment. So right now all people are using plastic wares, plastics, we can say tiffin box, plastics. It is so much in the, we can say, among people because of its property. But now, as of now, it is becoming a more critical problem for the people also. It is actually we can say an adverse effect on the environment. So now how to avoid these plastics? So what we can do, we can take certain steps to avoid this, we can say. Let's take for example, avoid the use of plastic. Avoid the use of plastic, because we are using so much more than it. Okay, so we can try to use plastic at minimal. Then we can use those plastic which can be recycled. There are certain kind of plastic which can be recycled. Then we can use cotton and jute bags. Okay, jute bags, cloth bags. For if you're going for market, if you buy things, don't take plastic bags from them. If you ask them, then they will give order to the, we can say, wholesaler and industrial produce. But if all people will take their own, we can say, jute bags or cloth bags from home, what will happen? The we can say the vegetables grocers or even the shopkeeper, they will not give we can say they will not order the plastic bags from the wholesaler, and eventually the industrial demand will go less. Okay, so we can use cotton and jute bags. There are 5 R's you must remember. Reduce the use of plastic, then reuse the things which is possible as far as possible, then refuse the use of, we can say, plastic. Also we can recover it and recycle. So dear students, remember these 5 R's: reduce, reuse, refuse, recover, recycle. And also develop certain habits which are environmental friendly. We have to, because this is our environment and we have to save it. So this was about the chapter. I hope you understood.